In this video, I'll show you how to get or order a Cash App card without ID. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. The Cash App card is a debit card that connects directly to your Cash App balance, and you can use it just like a regular debit card for in-store purchases, online payments, and ATM withdrawals. However, there's an important limitation you need to know up front. Cash App requires identity verification before they will issue a Cash App card. This verification process includes providing your full legal name, date of birth, mailing address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Because of this requirement, if you do not have a valid ID or social security number, you will not be able to order or activate a Cash App card. If your account is not verified, you can still use Cash App for basic features like sending and receiving money, but your account will have limits. Unverified accounts are restricted in how much balance you can hold, and they do not have access to ATM withdrawals, boosts, or investing features like stocks in Bitcoin. So the bottom line is this: without completing identity verification, you cannot get or order a Cash App card. If you later gain access to the required documents, you can verify your account directly in the app, and then order your Cash App card with full access to all features. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.